Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. Yeah, you know me. Yeah, and if you don't know me, yeah, then subscribe, please. Yeah, get to know me, yeah, get to know me, yeah. So, what do you think of the new song? What do you guys think is gonna be like every single video in the beginning? What do you guys think? Anyways, we have a Boxycharm unboxing. Oh, $27.99 a month, basically $28 a month, but with tax, so that means 30 and some change. Yeah, for 5 full-size products. It used to be $21 and then 25, and now it's like this. If it turns to 40, if it turns to how premium used to be, then I am out. But this month is actually really good because I saw like a couple of variations with my choice item. I had a cat hair. I don't know, where does his hair ever come from? It's like everywhere. Like when I leave the house, he goes everywhere. I bet you he goes on every single surface because it's everywhere. Anyways, this is the Biz Box. Where you get 5 full-size items, and it's supposed to be over $125. I'm questioning it because it might be $150. But anyways, it's supposed to have a lot of bang for your buck, so that's what we're gonna find out if it is. Let's open it up. So this is the card. And we have variation C22, that is 2022-05, that is May, and then 42, that is so BA, that equals base. So I have variation 42, and Super Bloom is the theme for this month. Let's go on with my first item, which I dropped on the floor. Choice item. Woo! Alright, my choice item is Item Beauty Air Hug Concealer in the shade 510. I wanted a little lighting, but I kind of think that I did too lighting. I don't know. We will see. Do we see now? Do we see later? I don't know. It is a 12 months shelf life. It may be perfect. It might be perfect for some lightening. It's perfect for some lightening. I don't need the other one. Yay. That just made me happy. I was gonna buy the 530. So I thought that was like the best one. For some lightening under eyes. That looks perfect. Oh, 530 is like probably my foundation shade, and that's usually like the concealers that I'm used to is foundation, so I like to get something that's like a little brighter than my foundation for my concealer. Sometimes I wear that, so that's what I wanted to do, and I did it. So I'm not mad at this. I got 510 and I'm happy about it. So I could take that off of my shopping list because I am currently in my Boxycharm Mega Drop Stop whatever box. See, it goes everywhere. Cart. I have this in 530, but I could let go of that now because hello, 510 is my shade. All right. How much is that? I think that's $18, and I was correct. It's $18. $18, not that bad for a concealer. $18, like a lip gloss. Yeah. Woo! Speaking of lip gloss or lip oils, this is the Lemon and Lime Lip Oil Duty from Cab Cosmetics, aka KAB. You already know, like Kayla B. Ooh, that was cute. This duo retails for $39 for 2 lip oils. I mean, 8, 16. I could do 36 because 18. Understand, but 39? That's a lot. And then they're just clear lip glosses. I mean, lip oils. I had one before. I really liked it. And it's just really clear lip oils. But they're different colors, which is cute. Do they smell like lemon and lime? kind of didn't want to open one because once you do that, you start the time. So I'm just going to open one. It smells like lemon and lime. It smells like lemon and lime. Oh my gosh, now I gotta use the lemon one. But I don't care. It smells like lemon and lime. That's cute. Okay, I would never pay for it, but I'm glad I got it. I am not mad about this. This is looking like it's the PR box for my variation, but I'm not mad because I actually like the PR box for the variation. And because of that, we got Dominique Cosmetics freaking primer blurring serum. Oh my gosh. I wanted to try this primer for a minute, but like I don't like buying primers. That's the freaking truth. The only primer I buy consistently of is this one and the Versali one, but the Versali is not at Sephora anymore. I don't even know if Touch and Soul is still at Sephora, but I know Touch and Soul is on Ulta, so I could buy it at Ulta. But those are the only ones I consistently buy, and everything else is given to me by what? Boxycharm or Ipsy. Yay! Anyways, this right here, it is $28. Oh, this is reasonably priced. This is reasonably priced. This is $28. This refreshing gel serum primer instantly hydrates your skin, giving you a smooth, even canvas for makeup application. I like that. I like that very much. Where is the box? Did I just lose? Here's the box. I didn't lose you. Oh, it says start fresh. Starting fresh. And it has like the same saying like around. That's cute. Packaging is cute. Okay, next product. Why? I mean, I like blending sponges, but my cat literally takes them every single time. After I use them like a couple of times, I wash it, I let it set out to dry. He uses it and he plays with it and it becomes his new toy. That's why I like brushes. Anyways, this is from Yensa. Yensa, expensive brand, little skincare brand. It's a skin on skin beauty sponge. I'm not gonna open it because once he sees it, he's gonna want it for himself. So I'm gonna just put it back in the box. It retails for $18 for a sponge. Are we beauty blender now? Is Yensa beauty blender now? Like, no. Be like Elf, $5-6 for a sponge. Most 10. No. The last product is Complex Culture. I love Complex Culture brushes. That's for a fact. Did I lose majority of my Complex Culture brushes? Yes. Did I break some of them? Yes. But I still love them? Yes. Would I repurchase them? No, because they're really expensive. Do I like the setting power? Yes. Do I remember what shade I had? No. So I cannot get it because they're not in store. So I can't swatch it on me and figure out what shade I had. Anyways. This is their new bronzing and highlighting palette, aka face palette. This is a Complex Culture Baked Highlighter and Bronzer Quad. This retails for $42. Let's open it up. Bah, 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 bah. I'm like very hyped today. Like the packaging was like a lot. But this is what it looks like. It has gold. Cute. And then it has the names on the back. Also cute. Oh, and it has like a nice mirror. Also cute. And these are the shades. So one shade would be under eye highlight. Ooh. The little slip here. The rest would be highlights for my cheeks. And then the bronzer, which is really, really red, would be a bronzer slash blush. I wish they had a deeper palette. Really, I really wish they had a deeper palette. But they don't. So I can't get mad at them. Like, they gave me the deepest one, and I'm happy to get something from Complex Culture because I always wanted to try Complex Culture. And I could test it if it could be a bronzer palette. If it's a face palette, maybe it could be an eye palette. So, you know, I'm going to try this all over my face, see how I feel. And that will be in a future first impressions video. Don't forget, I do first impressions on this channel. I also do food videos, so go check them out. And I also have a TikTok, will be linked down below with all my other social medias. Go check them out. And let's put all of these prices together. And let's do the total. Total of this box is $145. $145. So it is over $125, and I will use every single one of the products in here. So I'm excited. Like, this was actually one of the goodest goodest, is that even a word? This was the best box I had in a while from Boxycharm. Okay, last month, we all know what happened last month. Last month was just a disappointing month, and this month is better. Hopefully next month is not disappointing, because we had to pick between two palettes for the base box, and I picked one of my favorite eyeshadow formulas by Violet Voss. And also it has a yellow, so I hope that yellow is really, really good. Fingers crossed. Anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I liked it. Hope you guys had a fun time. I had a fun time. I just hit my face with the box. Anyways, video right here. Go check it out. Subscribe if you haven't already. And also, always check the description box, especially if you want to see one of these products and you want to buy it yourself. Or if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm, the links are down below. Okay, bye. Deuces. And always remember, have a good day, stay safe, and always peace from the BX. Really? What are you doing? You're trying to go behind the refrigerator?